now rushing to get onto train number 3 so that we can go to Austria. Tonight, we are sleeping
in an igloo.
Oh my goodness. We're walking in the snow.
I'm gonna go jump in the snow real quick.
I'm gonna do this. Today, we are leaving our beautiful snow-covered home, but we have an exciting adventure awaiting us. Just a reminder, we're also traveling with one of my best friends, Zoe, this week, as she's currently living in Amsterdam and studying abroad.
So we've just caught a cab from that place. It was really hard to leave, back into Houston, and we are about to get on our first train.
First train of 3 trains for today.
This one is taking us to IGLOO, I think.
From Houston, yes.
Yeah, so it's a fairly short train, just over an hour I think, so not too bad.
Yeah, we have to travel from Houston back up to Munich in Germany just so that we can travel back down to Austria. So basically our first 2 trains are taking us in the wrong direction, but it's the only way to get there. Running to the train so we don't miss the connection. My life for today is just going to be chasing Nick and Zoe to the next train. Train number 2.
From IGLOO to Munich at the moment.
We're now rushing to get onto train number 3 so that we can go to Austria. Train number 3 from Munich to Innsbruck was a success. We just put our bags into lockers, so we've just got backpacks because on this adventure we can only bring 1 bag each.
Okay, so we've arrived in Innsbruck and we're currently on the hunt for some ski equipment. Well, we're not going skiing, but we need the snow pants, and Jenny needs some snow boots as well, so we're looking for any snow hire place. Alright, so we have caught our final mode of transportation. We've just caught the last bus to where we're staying tonight and grabbed some pizza just before we check in.
There you go, Jenna, I see an igloo. I see 2 igloos.
Oh my goodness, is that where we're staying? We found our igloos.
In an igloo tonight! In case you're wondering.
I was.
Tonight, we are sleeping
In an igloo. How good.
Oh my goodness.
It's gonna be so
We're
cold.
literally sleeping in ice, in snow. I don't know what we're doing. Also, it is my birthday tomorrow, so I get to wake up in an igloo on my 22nd birthday, which is pretty cool. Let's go inside.
Also, I thought I'd quickly just mention, while Janet's not here, we've also arranged for her to have a little cake brought to our igloo in the morning with our morning tea, so hopefully that'll be a nice surprise for her on her birthday.
Welcome to our igloo. This is our bed, and I'm pretty sure there's a charging point behind there, and that's it. We sleep in a ball of ice, which is crazy and intimidating, but exciting. It looks like we have little sleeping bag liners as well. So
Awesome.
And little pillows.
Cool.
So we'll be crazy.
Alright, so we've just had our introduction talk for how the igloos are made, what's going to be happening over the next 12 hours or so. Just wanted to share some of the things that we've learned about how these are made. It's really cool. What they do is they get these really thick, big balloons in the shape of these rooms, blow them up, and then they pack the snow on top of them. And it's not the actual snow, it's the artificial snow that they use because it packs down denser and stands stronger. Every year they also carve designs onto all of the walls in each room and in the main dining room and everything. And this year it's all been based on Da Vinci, so all the artwork on the walls and everything is really pleasing to the eye, is how they described it. All right, and we also learned, because we were a little bit worried about what happens if it could just cave in, because it's obviously just made of snow, and we learned is it's shaped like an egg, which means that it can't really cave in on itself. When it starts melting or breaking down, it slowly melts from the top and then down to the walls rather than breaking in. The roof never collapses in, nothing ever falls off. So that was good information to learn. We've gone on a night walk through the snow and it was really amazing.
We're walking in the snow.
It's very cold.
Don't step on my feet, please.
There's no light pollution out here, so we could see all of the stars and everything was so clear. We picked like perfect weather. We got so lucky for this hike because it was through the snow. We got to put on snowshoe, I don't know what you want to call them. You attach to your snow boots that stop you sinking too far into the snow.
Tonight was so wholesome. We had dinner. We're trying glue vines. It's like sweet.
Okay, so we just started with our dinner. We started with a little pesto kind of board and some bread, and we have lots of bread for our fondue, which I'm very excited to try. Something really good.
Oh, I lost my breath. Oh my goodness. That's amazing. Perfect sort of dinner for an igloo, I'd say. And after dinner, Nick and Zoe surprised me with a birthday cake, which was very lovely. They pre-organized it with the company. So we sat there and ate cake. We ended up offering to share it with some of the people that were left in the dinner igloo. Luckily, both of those couples spoke English as well as German. So we ended up getting to know them. They ate some of the cake. It was so lovely. We were sharing photos and just like talking about our different lifestyles and learning about each other's countries. It was so much fun to meet them. I'll insert a photo of all of us together.
You're doing great. I think that'll be enough. One more scoop.
It's so fresh.
Yeah.
Enough there?
Yes.
I don't know what is wrong with us, but we have stripped down to our underwear because we're having a sauna in like -6-degree weather. But apparently it's gonna heat our bodies up so that when we get in the sleeping bag tonight, we'll have a nice warm sleep. Let's get in the sauna.
I'm gonna go jump in the snow real quick. What they do in Finland.
I think it's a Finnish tradition, I'm pretty sure.
I'm gonna go jump in the snow and then get back in the sauna.
Even though we're in Austria, not in Finland. Go, 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 go. Oh my god. Okay, quick, come back inside.
Jenna wants to give it a go.
I don't know. It's pretty cold out here, jeez. Oh my goodness. Okay, okay. Oh, it burns a little bit. We're good now.
Okay, we're obviously in our sleeping bags ready for bed now. We just also do want to apologize for the last few clips of this video. Probably haven't been the best quality. The camera has stopped working. The last few clips have been taken on the phone. Sorry, this is the best we could do.
And I'm actually surprisingly warm enough right now. Hopefully that stays the same overnight and we can get a decent night's sleep. Also, in around an hour, I'm going to be officially 22. I've already been receiving birthday messages because back home in Australia, I'm technically already 22, but I haven't technically turned 22 in this time zone. Okay, good night. I'm going to do this.
Good morning. Happy birthday. It's time to get up.
Bye, Igloo.
It was fun.
It was fun. I don't want to leave, but it's my birthday, so it's okay.
You know when it tells you you're a month when you're actually another?
Yeah.
I'm blaming that.
Surprise one. Go away.
What are you doing?
I'm poking your head.
Alright.
Oh no.
Got an eyelash.
You have multiple eyelashes.
I have one in my eye.
Oh, okay. It's not where they belong.
Okay. I just ran all the way back to the igloo because I left my earrings in the fur that was on the bed because I took them off in the middle of the night. But I did not want to leave those ones behind because they were the ones I got from Athens. Thank God I remembered.